Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Today I'm going to be providing the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of March. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to March of 2025. For Guelph, the median sale price was $730,000, which is down by 1.3%. The total number of listings was 316, up by 4.6%. The total number of sales was 119, down by 12.5%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $670,000, down by 2.5%. In Waterloo, it was $695,000, down by 7.3%. And in Cambridge, it was $639,500, down by 13%. The Guelph real estate market in March showed a clear shift toward more buyer-friendly conditions compared to March of 2025, as softer sales activity continued to outweigh the modest gains in new supply. The median sale price eased slightly, suggesting that values have largely stabilized but are facing mild downward pressure in the current environment. The most notable change came in market pace. Median days to sell rose to 25 days, a 47% increase from March 2025, indicating that buyers are taking more time to make decisions and properties are sitting a little bit longer than they have in the past. At the same time, new listings increased while home sales declined, further widening the gap between supply and demand. With the sales to new listings ratio firmly in buyer's market territory, conditions are favoring negotiation and more conditional offers. Well-priced homes are still moving, but sellers are increasingly having to adjust expectations and timing and pricing strategy. Looking ahead to April, the key question will be whether the spring momentum brings new buyers into the market or whether the elevated inventory continues to give purchasers the upper hand. If sales don't meaningfully improve, Guelph may continue to experience extended days on market and gradual price softening as we head through the spring market. The other key question will be, can I get through this video before the rain continues to increase? It definitely is spring out here. All right, back to it. For both buyers and sellers, preparation, realistic pricing, and adapting to an ever-changing market will continue to play a key role in achieving successful outcomes in the months ahead. And for those who are looking to both buy and sell, doing the harder thing first is often the best strategic move. At this time, this often means getting your home on the market, selling with a long close, and taking some time to find the right home. That being said, there's pros and cons to whether you buy first or sell first, and a full discussion is definitely warranted. If you're considering moving, I could certainly help you make this happen. Feel free to reach out to me, and thanks for joining me today as I get through this rainy video.